Procedure. Put a heading over there. Procedure. Okay. Chalo, in the procedure, what you are going to be write all my dear students? Procedure.
सर प्रेजेंट करो सर स्क्रीन.
अब बेटा मैंने प्रेजेंट की हुई है स्क्रीन मेरी. चेक कर. पिन कर. नाम पर मेरा मोहम्मद तेजीब लिखा ही हुआ है. चेक कर.
बीजी आईडी ऊपर पिन करिए तो.
हाँ. चलिए प्रॉपरली एंड पिन इट अगेन बेटा. एज पर रेगुलरली हम लोग वैसे ही करते हैं ना इसलिए. चलो. Now the procedure. What is the first point of the procedure? You have to write with me the first point of the procedure. Chalo. Take a take a two test tube. Test tube. Label them A and B. A and B. Chalo. This is the first point. Chalo. Likho first point. Then after the second point, what is the second point all of you? In the test tube. हाँ बेटा अभी रफ बुक में लिखो या फेयर बुक में लिखो. कोई भी बात नहीं. चलो बस लिखो. कंपलसरी लिखना. टेस्ट ट्यूब A. The टेस्ट ट्यूब A with yes beta what? With 1 teaspoon spoonful of boiled rice. Boiled rice. What is the meaning of boiled rice, all my dear students? As per I was told you, the meaning of boiled rice is cooked rice. Okay. But my point, boiled rice means what? What? Cooked rice.
Cooked rice.
Okay, very good. Chalo. Chalo, now the third point I'm going to be start here. The third point, and you have to write with me the third point, all of you. Okay. Chalo, third point. What is the third point? In the test tube B, in the test tube B, keep keep 1 teaspoonful of boiled rice after chew, after well chewing. Well chewing. What is the meaning of well chewing? Properly अच्छे हुए खाए हुए. Yes, chewing. Yes. Okay. दूसरी test tube में means test tube B. What we have to do in test tube 2 dear? In test tube 2, we have to take the boiled rice after a rice well chewing. Got my points? Okay, do it fast. Then after, we will going to be move on up point number 3. चलो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू ऑल ऑफ यू. डू इट फास्ट. चलो लिखना स्टार्ट करो सब लोग. Now who will be going to be explain this? Yes, Kasim Raza Lakhani. Read a first 3 points. Kasim Raza Lakhani, are you there,
सर कहना है
Kasim?
सर अहमद फजील.
Yes, beta. Sorry, you can continue. Very good. Properly and one by one, all.
Take two test tube. Label them
A and B. In test tube, put a transfull of boiled. In test tube, eat a transfull of the boiled rice after we chew.
Chalo, very good. So what we have to do, all my dear friends, first of all, you have to take the first two test tube. ओके आपको पहले दो टेस्ट ट्यूब लेनी है एंड यू हैव टू गिव द नेम यू हैव टू गिव द लेवल ऑफ फर्स्ट टेस्ट ट्यूब इज ए and you have to give the name of the second test tube is B. In the test tube A, put a 1 teaspoon of the boiled rice. In the test tube B, keep 1 teaspoon of boiled rice after while chewing. Means test tube A में आपको boiled rice लेने हैं, then test tube B में boiled rice अच्छे से खाए हुए आधे खाए हुए राइस आपको लेना एंड दैट राइस यू हैव टू पुट इन the second test tube number B. Done all my dear students?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Chalo, so now you have to note down with me the uh, fourth point. What is the fourth point, all of you? The fourth point of chalo add
Number
3
4.
to 4
Add
ml
3
of water 3 to 4 ml of water in both tasting. Who is going to speak with me? Both test tube. Both test tube. Chalo, this is the fourth point. Then after we have to write the fifth point. Now, now pour 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution in the in each test test tube and shake well. Okay, all my dear students. Chalo, this is the fifth point. Now the last point is point number 6. Observe, observe, observe the the change in color in the in both test tubes. Now the point is procedure is done. Who is asking me how are you? Abhi beta, I am
Sir,
fine.
can I read Sari Ahmad Fazil?
Yes, Fazil, but
Yes,
wait beta,
add
just
3.4 metal.
Add 3 or 4 milliliter of water
yes,
in
Zaki,
both
you
test
can. Otherwise, Asaria. Yes, after Asaria, Zaki, you can. No,
now
chalo.
to 2 or 3 drops of iodine solution in test tube and shake well. Observe the change in color both test tube.
ओके चलो चलो understood now yes beta you can it
Okay.
yes beta Zaki I'm waiting for you wait start beta Zaki yes beta you can
Yes, sir.
Zaki yes Zaki beta
Sir,
start
may I read?
Sir,
yes
I
amma
can't.
yes beta
Now pour two, third, 3 drops of Lowland solution in each test tube
Mm,
A 3
and
4 drop
shake well.
milliliter of water
slowly
in
slowly 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 slowly
Observe the change in color in both test tubes.
it 3 4 drops in water to test. Now pour
चलो
2 3 drops iodine solution in each test tube shake well. Observe
who
the
will be
change
going to
in
read
color.
for the yes Zaki Vakil Vakil are you there whose voice is like that
Yes, sir.
Zaki, yes, beta, you can continue. Start the reading of fourth
Add,
and fifth and sixth point.
yes, add 3 or 4 ml of water in both test tube. Now pour 2 or 3 drops of iodine solution in each
Drops of
test tube.
iodine solution.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
chalo.
In each test tube and shake well. Observe the change in color in both test tube.
Okay, then very good. Chalo. Observe the change in color in the boosted state. Face it. चलो मुझे पूरी प्रोसीजर कौन एक्सप्लेन करेगा इन योर ओन टर्म्स अपने आप कोई भी अपने टर्म्स में प्रॉपर्ली स्टेप बाय स्टेप में प्रॉपर्ली हु विल गोइंग टू बी एक्सप्लेन द होल प्रोसीजर
Mama,
चलो यस जकी हसारिया बहुत हसारिया
yes,
चलो
sir.
एक्सप्लेन करो बेटा चलो चलो चलो
हाँ, चल.
एक्सप्लेन करो चलना कहीं पर भी नहीं है बट यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन इट चलो ना हसारिया जोहर अब्बास यू कैन बेटा
Mama, क्यों दे देना है?
कौन है ये चलो जीसान मर्चन अदरवाइज जेद अब्बास हरियाणी you have to explain it the full procedure
Sir, go to first one, sir. Can I try? Sorry, how much was it?
yes बेटा in your yes बेटा हसारिया
Take a test, two test tube, and the label A and B. First, we take two test tube and we label A and B or sticker A and B. In test tube, a put of transfull of boiled rice. It, we have to put
yes
uh,
बेटा yes correct
boiled
you are
ra-
on the right
boiled boiled rice in the test tube B. B it and full of boiled rice after chewing. We have to piece. We have to piece and we have to put in test tube B.
yes
Then
then
one both test tube 3 or 4 drops water. Then
yes very good
then pure copper, that two or three drops, and we have to shake it and see its
Very
color
good.
brown or black, blue or brown.
Brown, black, okay, very good, absolutely right. Black or blue. The color it will be a change in a blue to brown. Okay, the color it will be a change in which color? Blue to brown.
Brown.
Understood? Okay, ब्लू और ब्राउन कलर में ब्लैक और ब्लू और ब्राउन कलर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. It will be a present. It will be a telling to a what? It will be a shows a stars in present in a boiled rice. Understood? Get my point? Now we will going to be move on further. Uh, further is what? Now we will going to be move on further. Observation and conclusion. Okay, so you have to note down the observation and conclusion with me, all my dear.
Yes,
Sure.
sir. You promised that you do experiment in science lab
हाँ
for
बेटा,
us.
मैं दिखाने वाला हूँ, दिखाने वाला हूँ, दिखाने वाला हूँ. जब ये एक्सपेरिमेंट कंप्लीट हो जाने दो मेरे भाई, सब ये एक्सपेरिमेंट बेटा सब लोग कंप्लीट हो जाने दो. Then we will inshallah I am going to be showing the full experiment in the lab.
Okay, sir.
मैंने ये सब के पास तो करवाया ही भी है. जो आपके लास्ट मीन्स आपके अगले ईयर में है, जो अभी 8th स्टैंडर्ड में है, वो उसको भी, अभी जो 9th में है उसको भी, क्योंकि वो तब स्टूडेंट्स थे, तब वो 6th स्टैंडर्ड में थे, तब मैंने सभी को करवाया ये एक्सपेरिमेंट. ओके, चलो. नाउ यू हैव टू नोट डाउन द ऑब्जर्वेशन विथ मी, ऑल ऑफ यू. In the test tube, in the in test tube A, there are test tube A, there no change. What? No change. In which solution? Iodine solution. In test tube, test tube B, the solution change just minute, all of you. In the test tube B, the solution change in blue black color, blue black. Okay, and it indicates it indicates stars is present. चलो.
Sir, can I read Asari Ahmad Fazil?
यस, देखो यहाँ पर एक ट्विस्ट है. नो चेंज इन बी, सॉरी, नो चेंज इन बी, ये निकाल दे देना.
Okay, sir. In test tube
ओके,
Here no change in iodine solution. In test tube
Yes.
B, the solution change in blue black. It increased starch
Yes.
in spreads. Starch is present. In test tube A,
Yes,
here
beta.
no
Chalo,
change
very
in
good.
iron solution. In test tube B, the solution change in blue black. It is instructed starch is present.
So, okay. Chalo, Zoher. Where is the Zoher? Where is the Zoher?
I don't know. Sir, I don't know where he's going.
Zoher, are you there? Zoher, are you there? Okay. Who will be going to be explain this procedure? Who will going to be telling me further? Who will read? चलो बताओ बेटा आई एम वेटिंग फॉर हियर and then after we'll going to be start our conclusion.
Sir, may
Okay,
I reading?
then after we'll going to be start the conclusion. Yes बेटा अम्मा. Yes मोहम्मद अब्बास. चलो कोई भी एक स्टार्ट करो.
In test tube there no change in iodine solution. In test tube B, the solution change in blue black. It indicates starch is present.
Very good. चलो excellent. Yes now मोहम्मद अब्बास जीवानी. You can बेटा.
Yes, sir. In test tube, there are no in
बेटा your voice is cutting or
in
breaking.
test tube
Yes.
B. In black indicates half is present. Sir, sir.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes
there,
बेटा tell
oh,
me
there
what
आता
happened.
है, oh, there
Huh?
नहीं
No
आता है
no
यहाँ
no
पे
no. Yes, okay. Now tell me
आपने स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा लिखा इन अ टेस्ट ट्यूब और there आता है ना सर और
a
नहीं
test
आता ना
tube there. Yes, there. Test in a test tube A there no change. Means test tube A में कुछ change नहीं है. चलो चलो okay.
Sir,
Now
can
for
I
the
explain Asari
you
Muhammad
have to write.
Fazil?
Yes, Asadi Ahmad Fazil.
Sir, please go back from first time.
What? Where? First procedure.
From position.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Do it fast.
Take to test tube. Label A and B. Firstly, take test tube and stick sticker of A and B in the test tube. A put of transfer of the boiled rice. We have to put boiled rice in test tube and in A. Then B we put boiled rice and chewed pieces of rice. Then
चलो then.
4 point.
Just a minute. चलो then further.
And added 3 or 4 milliliter of water in both test tubes. We have to put 2 or 3, 4, 3 or 4 milliliter water in both test tube. Now pour 2 or 3 drops iodine solution in test tube and shake well. We have to shake. Then observe the change in color both test tube. That we have to observe that color brown or blue. And in test tube A, we have in test tube A. Sir, please roll. Next page.
चलो
Observation. In test tube A,
बाकी बेटा
there
सब
are
लोग
no
अपना माइक
change
बंद
in
रखो तो
iodine.
बाकी सब लोग यस
We
ओके
have
चलो वेरी
put
गुड
full rice boiled in that test tube A in no change, and test tube B we have put pieces of rice chewed in test tube B. It is starch is present inside.
ओके चलो ओके चलो नाउ फर्दर यू हैव टू नोट डाउन द ऑब्जर्वेशन विथ मी ओके चलो observation sorry conclusion observation here is done conclusion chalo so note down the conclusion all my dear which may do fast
Yes, sir.
chalo saliva I know all my dear students what is the meaning of saliva
Sir,
saliva
answer.
has enzyme enzyme which can digest starch and convert into sugar. Okay, chalo. This is a conclusion. Convert into sugar. Chalo, do it fast, all my dear students. You have one sentence, likho, and then who will going to be explain this conclusion?
Sir, what is the meaning of saliva?
Going to be telling me the what is the meaning of saliva?
Kasim Reza
Who is going to tell? Huh?